Hey, hello everyone. A few days ago, one of my client completed a lead generation project from me, and now he want to complete another lead generation project. Okay, let's see what type of lead generation project he want to complete it. Okay, firstly, let you know it's my LinkedIn account. Anyone can contact with me. You can see here WhatsApp number and my email address. You can contact with me any business inquiry here. Okay, let's go. Okay, basically I am working on fiber.com, and here I have completed and I have more repeated client here. He's my repeated client, and he has completed more project from me. And I can see. Okay. He has knocked me. Do you remember the cybersecurity business lead that you generated for me? We'll need your help again with some similar project. Okay. He need online platform again on social network and online course platform as Udemy. It will be from USA, and the employee count will be 10 to 30. And after submit order, he has told me he need a person name, business email, title, LinkedIn account, company name, company website, company address, and company phone number. That was his requirement. And you can see I have completed some project July 9 to August 6. Here is the last project on $50, um, on $50, and second one was $450, and third one is $320, and the fourth is $70, $500, $200, $98. And here, all of my repeated client, and I have some my client, they are working with me about 5 to 6 years ago and continue working with me. Okay, here you can see a screenshot. The best email marketing campaign have a clear goal, a simple message, and a big offer. So try to understand that if you want to run your campaign, and that's why you need a valid email list. Okay, I'm providing this service. If anyone need this type of service, you can contact with me. Okay, I have completed this project successfully, and delivered him. Accepted my project and give me 5-star review. Okay, and if anyone need this lead generation service, like email list building service, contact list building service, anyone can contact with me. Here is my email, and anyone can hit me on my LinkedIn account. Thank you so much.